Hi and welcome back. Today we are setting up the month of August, which blows my mind. I cannot believe that we are already in August. It's insane. I don't know where the summer went. And I know technically August is still summer, but I'm a teacher, I work in the schools, and for me, August is back to school. It's the beginning of the fall semester, and August means fall. And don't come at me, I am ready for all things pumpkin and pumpkin spice once August gets here. It is brutally hot still here in Tennessee in August, but that's what my brain does. So in a previous video, I put in all these headers and washi when I was setting up the second half of the year. I don't think I had put in these little date covers at the time. I found these. This is from the 2023 subscription box from the Coffee Monsters Co. And these cute little date headers just kind of went really well. So I went ahead and used them. There's a couple left here of blank ones. I might use those as icons. I don't know. And I'm continuing to use this monthly kit from the Coffee Monsters Co. I went ahead and bought the monthly kits for the rest of the year because these work perfectly for me. I absolutely love them. So let's get into setting up August. I have a few things written in already, but we're just gonna go little by little and see how this works. Okay, so since this one's gonna be sticker heavy, since it's a monthly, I'm gonna use an Energel Clenna, and I'm gonna use this brown one that I have just to kind of mix it up from the black. So let's get started. The first 2 days of August, I am still in band camp, which is crazy to me. So let's see how we're gonna mark those out. I think I'm just gonna use a couple of these. So that's gonna be Thursday and Friday. And I am just gonna mark that out with these two right here. Band camp is definitely the end of the summer for me. And if you were ever in band, you get it. Okay, so that is marked in. Now, I also have on the 1st a call with my business coach. So we're gonna use one of these cute little speech bubble emojis. Or I guess they're not emojis. These little speech bubbles. Oh, that is crooked. This is why I should have been using my tweezers from the beginning. Let's see if I can get it up and twist it a little bit. Yeah, there we go. All right, so then what else do I have going on? I have book club on the 5th. So, and book club is something that happens every Monday, so I'm not gonna give it a big sticker. I'm just gonna use one of these little dots. Oh, and this pen is not writing very well. I don't know if it's been a while since I've used it or if I'm running out of ink. Let's check. Nope, I've got plenty of ink. So we are gonna just grab a blank piece of paper and do some scribbles here to try to get it rolling again. There we go. So I've got book club in. I have an OCIA team meeting on the 6th because it's time to get that started back up. Okay. Get this on here. My summer is officially over and it's bittersweet for me. I am excited in a way to kind of get back in a regular schedule and routine, but oh, I have so much enjoyed the slower pace of the summer, and I'm just gonna try to figure out a way to make that my normal life. Okay, the other thing we have going on this week is on the 10th, and I am super excited. It is the first day. It's the first Titan games of the year. Titans. Ugh. It's the first Titans game of the year. So I'm going to use this little yay sticker because we watched this little docu-series on Netflix called Quarterback, and it kind of followed the lives of Kirk Cousins, Marcus Mariota, and Patrick Mahomes, and it was really good. If you haven't seen it, you should check it out. But it just made me ready for football. Titans at 6. We're probably going to lose because, well, we've not been the best team lately, but you know what? I am a hardcore fan. So even if we're losing, I'm still going to cheer for us. Okay, so then on the 12th, this is when I'm planning on starting my music lessons back up. So I just want to make a note of that. We're going to use this little highlighter here. We'll just put that up here. But I also have an online doctor's appointment that day. So which one of these stickers are we going to use for that? I think we're going to use this little pencil. No, we're going to use the house because it's at home. And I never use the houses. So we're going to put this here. Okay, now for, oh, I have book club that day too. Oh, this is a busy, busy day. So we're gonna use another one of these dots to put book club. And this is the book club that I am doing with my mastermind group. We are reading the book, The Manifestation Wheel by Alan Seal. And so far it's very interesting. For me, manifestation can kind of get into the little woo-woo territory, but so far this one is very interesting in the way that he talks about it. So we'll see. Okay, I have a co-working call on the 13th. Let's see here. And I think that's at 3:30. And then my roommate has a appointment with the heart doctor on the 15th. And I don't know if I'm taking her to that or not. So I'm just gonna put it in. We'll use this little, these are geo, I don't know what this is called, but this. The little pen in the map on the 15th. And that's it for this week. Okay, good. Let's look what's happening the next week. So once again, I've got book club on Monday at 3. So which dot are we gonna use? I'm hoping church choir starts up during August as well, but I don't know if it will or not. We haven't heard anything yet. So book club. And then I have a mastermind training. It's tentative, but we're gonna put it in anyway on the 20th. So I'm feeling kind of this big one with this cute little emoji sticking up here. There we go. All right. I have a maintenance trim for my hair on Friday, the 23rd. I feel like I have a haircut. It might be one of these. I think it's the 31st. Okay, so over on the 23rd, I've got a maintenance trim. So tell me, what do you think of when you think of August? Does your brain instantly go back to school and it's fall, or are you holding on to the last little bit of summer? I think it's different from different people. I think most people who've been teachers, for them, it's just fall. Or people who are in school like me for a long time, you just never get off of that whole fall. Okay, we have book club again here. Let's see, I haven't used this color yet. And I don't have to put a time in because book club is always at 3. Then over here on the 29th, it's kind of busy. OCIA begins, but I also have a mastermind call. Let's do the mastermind call on one of these. And I have 2 mastermind calls, so I'm going to go ahead and put it on another one of these as well. So one is at 3:30 and the other one is at 10 a.m. But yeah, I was so excited when, to me, what I consider fall colors popped up for August, because I am ready to go. I was telling my roommate yesterday, when August gets here, I'm going to be ready for all things pumpkin spice. And her instant reaction was, can we put up the Halloween decorations? And I told her, no, we can't do Halloween decorations till after my birthday. My birthday is in September. There we go. I need to get OCIA in here. I'm going to use another one. No. Sometimes it's difficult to decide. I'm just going to use this green one. And I'm putting 5:30 on here. The class starts at 6:30. I usually get there at 6, but for the first class, I always get there really early to make sure everything is set up and ready to go. There we go. And then, what else? Oh, I have a podcast interview on the 29th. So let's do, I'm going to do a little layering. I'm going to be on the Messy Success podcast. Okay, so now that I have that written in ridiculously tiny, let's pull it off of here. That is on the 29th. And then we're going to add, I think maybe this little speech bubble will be cute on that. Because we can. There we go. And I think those are the majority of my appointments. But as you can see, it's already getting to be a pretty crazy month. Oh, you know what? I need to schedule in my office hours for creative SEO. So when am I going to do that? I'm thinking it's going to be on a Friday because I'm trying to keep Fridays off. We're going to do that kind of towards the middle of the month. I'm going to tentatively do that on the 16th. And I also just remembered, I think I have scheduled an appointment with my mom too. I don't have a time set for this yet, so we're just going to write it in. So I have a membership for bloggers. So if you're a blogger, that might be something you're interested in, or really for anybody with a website, but it really pushes blogging. And I do an office hours call for that every month where people can ask questions or get help, or I can review things. So that is there. And I've got another membership that I'm planning on launching in August that's going to be on passive income. So later on, there will be another office hours session for that. Okay, so Mom, I'm going to go visit Mom on the 10th, which is the same day as the Titans game. That's okay. We usually meet for lunch around 11. So we're going to use this big one. And just kind of get it squeezed up here. All right, and that pretty much outlines the month of August for me. I hope you enjoyed this. October. I am ready for fall. September is coming soon, and then it's going to be all October. So, let me know what you're doing in August. Let me know what your monthly looks like. Do you guys use these monthly calendars? I know some people do, some people don't. I actually reference mine every single week when I'm putting together my weekly spread. So, hope you enjoyed. Until next time, peace out.